Hey guys, thanks for checking out today's video. We are going to do some more work on the Duramax today. We've been hard at it building this thing out, and that trend is going to continue today because we got another package in the mail here from Amazon. Really excited to share this install with you guys and show you how it sounds afterwards. So far what I've done personally are the side steps in black here. You know, we bought it with a few mods already, but we put the side steps on, which are looking pretty good, I think. And then we did the headlights, which I really think are looking good on the truck. I'm very happy with them, and it's got me really excited to start this build out. I'm going to leave links down below for everything that I'm building this truck out with, so if you guys got any questions about what is on this truck, you'll know by checking out the links down below on Amazon. And please keep in mind too, guys, that using the links down below does help support the channel monetarily so I can continue this build. If you guys are enjoying the content, that's definitely a great way to help the channel out. Alright, enough talking. Let's break open the box and see what we got. Man, this is one tough package. Alright guys, there it is. So this right here, let me open the box a little bit so you guys can see, or the package I mean. Boom, there it is. So what this is, guys, is it's called a PPE boost valve, and basically what it does is it adds a little bit of performance. From my understanding is it helps you build a little bit more boost from your turbo, which will add a little bit of horsepower for you. It's about a quick 5-minute easy install, so we're going to do that today here. And I think all that we're really going to need, look at it here, all we're really going to need are a couple of screwdrivers. I got a flathead and a Phillips head just in case, depending on how these are, and then just like a pair of scissors or something to cut a hose with. Really anything will work, even this knife here would work. So while the performance enhancement is nice with this right here, I actually primarily bought it for the gains in the turbo noise. Since it helps you build more boost, you're going to hear your turbo a bit more. And also, from what I've been hearing, whenever you let off the gas, or diesel I guess, it actually lets off the boost a little bit longer so you get more of that turbo noise, which is what I was going for with this. The package itself, you can see it's from PPE. Like I say, I'll leave a link down below. And guys, they do make cheaper versions of these, but PPE, I feel like, is kind of the company that started this. They're the ones doing this originally, so help support them. Good American company. Don't buy, some cheap Chinese crap. For 30 bucks, this is sub 30 bucks, go ahead and buy from them, guys. You're getting quality stuff from them. So, first things first, we've got a few directions here. You can see it shows you exactly how to do it, which I'm going to show you guys how to do this today. So you got directions, you've got, looks like maybe a little sticker here, your hose clamps, and then the valve itself, which is a nice quality aluminum here. So guys, keep in mind, this is specific for an LB7 Duramax. I believe that other Duramaxes, you don't need to do this mod. They kind of fix this later on, but it's something that will help these older Duramaxes out. So first things first, we got to pop the hood. So I was having a difficult time without the proper cutters there, so I ended up using my knife here, which is working just fine. So you guys can see here, I've made my cut in my hose right now. So now I'm just going to put in the valve. And you want to make sure you got it facing the right way, so the arrows need to point to the passenger side. So all you're going to do is just insert in each side of the hose here And actually, before you even do that, let's put our hose clamps on so that way we don't have to undo them all the way. Just like so, as you can see. Now we're going to take the valve, make sure it's going the right way, passenger side towards the waste gate, and then just plug it in both ends here. I'm going to set you guys down so I can do this side. Clamps up and tighten them down on the edge of that valve, so pretty close to where the boost valve is. Just want to catch right on the edge of the aluminum. So now it's time to crawl out from here. Make sure you grab all your tools. You don't want to leave anything under there. You see, it's in, and it's nice blue that kind of matches everything else from the factory. As you can see, I mean, it's really step 1, 2, 3, 4. That easy in color here. Very nice. Get your sticker. Now, guys, for the moment of truth, let's go take it for a test drive real quick. So the engine's still cold. We may have to let it heat up a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and close the hood. I think I still need to adjust my headlights. I noticed whenever I was driving it the other night, for the first time, they seem to be pointing down a little bit. But nonetheless, we're more worried about our boost valve. So let's climb in, take it for a test drive. It's not a complete install without a check. Alright, we're in the truck. Oh, the plug's warm for just a second. Roll the windows down. That guy's kind of slow. We're going to have to do something about him. Tired. Alright. Let's see how she does. With the wind noise going on, guys, but I can tell a huge difference in the turbo noise. It is quite a bit louder. I'm going to give it just a little bit though, so the engine can get warmed up. It always seems like the turbo is quite a bit louder whenever the engine's warmed up. So let's do that real quick before we give it our final thoughts here. All right, so I had to make a pit stop, pick up some caramel chews. One thing I've learned, guys, is if your wife's pregnant, get her what she wants. Engine's starting to warm a little. Start her up. Oh, that window's awful. Let's go ahead and back up. And get back on the road. First impressions of the PPE boost valve. Well, I believe it does create a turbo boost. Obviously I don't have anything in here to monitor that, but I do gotta say that there is less turbo lag. The turbo seems to spool up sooner, especially in the lower RPM ranges. Definitely changed the tone of the turbo. There's definitely a higher pitched whistle to it. I don't know that it's necessarily a whole lot louder, but it is a higher pitched sound, which I like. And it does take a lot longer once you let off the gas to spool down, so I like that as well. So for, less than 30 bucks, guys, this is a no-brainer. You need to buy this thing and install it, less than 30 bucks in 5 minutes, and it's on your truck. So very happy with my purchase. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to share with your friends that might have an LB7. That way they can soup theirs up a little bit. And definitely stay tuned. You know, we've done these 3 things to the truck so far, and we've got plenty of more mods to come. Very excited about building this truck out, and can't wait for you guys to come along on the adventure. And like I say, be sure to share with your friends in case they got an LB7. Alright guys, until next time, take care.